Century 21 Olympian agents are experienced to get you the best price available. Call 832-553-8300 to start now. Nice 2-story brick townhome with open floor plan in gated community in the heart of Southwest Houston. Convenient to the Galleria and West Belt, shopping and restaurants. This corner unit is well maintained, 1 bedroom up, semi-private loft, no door, not visible from first floor, with attached private bath. Living, dining, kitchen, half bath, laundry down. Tiled kitchen and baths, carpet in living and dining, stairs and second floor. Wood-burning fireplace and built-in shelves in living room. All appliances, including fridge, stacked washer and dryer included. Private outdoor living space abounds, with enclosed, covered first floor patio and second floor balcony. Reserved carport space plus additional unassigned parking. Beautiful community pool.